And finally, there is head anatomy course out, almost like a 7-hour videos about head anatomy. And I start with explaining about the bony structure. Then I go down to the forehead because that's the main bony visible part of the skull on the face. Then I go to the muscles of the head, starting with the mastication muscles. Then I go to the facial expression muscles, a little about the physiology of the facial expression muscles. It's split down in several groups like labellar, orbital, nasal, and midfacial muscles, and finally oral muscles. Those are the most important ones. Then, of course, the fat is the one that is being moved by the muscles. So I need to explain a little bit about like the fat form. So I start with the overall fat and aging. Then I go to the particular superficial fat, like a malar fat, and with some real life studies. Then I'm showing some scans with some examples. Then I go to the jaw fat case studies. Then I go to the lateral facial fat. Then, of course, it's time for the deep fat. Deep fat is the one that creates like the basic structure, basic architecture of the face. So I start with the buccal fat, and then I go to the medial cheek fat. Those are the most important deep fats. And of course, the deep orbital fat, deep orbital, periorbital fat as well. And then, of course, as an appendix, there is a cheek anatomy, as a little bit more about the cheek, because that's the most mysterious part of the face.